the responsibility of giving us these figures is you. KBS is not recognized as a body that we can question on population per electoral units. So it is you are the one who should move and get that information from them so that you can now delineate this ward in this county, this ward. The issue of budget for referendum, I think the management team has been holding meetings with National Treasury, and they had draft proposals. The matters not come up to the commission at plenary level to tell us what has been agreed. So I would want to defer this question until I have the right information on the issue of the budget for referendum. There is a question from Honorable Murugara, whether constituencies and what will be done before general election. This is again goes to the core of the processes and the timelines given in the BBI proposals. 6 months are suggested, which I said is a time that the Commission should be given flexibility. So it depends on what will happen after this entire process. But the biggest challenge here, there are two areas. One, public participation. The Commission is expected to go around the 47 counties, and that has to be done in all the counties. Remember, we have the proposed 28 counties sharing the constituencies, but the other counties, the issue of what has to be addressed. And so that has to be done. That is the biggest time consumer. And the other time consumer is the area of dispute resolution. In the previous law, which was applied in 2012, 4 months was allocated for dispute resolution, 1 month for filing the cases, and 3 months for a determination of those cases. So this time factor has to be looked into, and I believe working with the stakeholders, like the two joint committees and other stakeholders, the Commission should be able to chart the way forward on this particular issue.